Hey, what's up? Brandon back from Custom Speaker Pods. Today we're going to install the dual 2-inch speaker pods for the 90 to 94 Chevy Silverado C10, C1500, anything with the boomerang storage pocket. Last video we installed the dual 6.5-inch lower speaker pods. Today we're going to add tweeters to the door. So let's get started. First thing, as always, you want to take your pod, test fit it in the car, make sure that you are happy with the fitment, make sure that it fits correctly, make sure you ordered the right one, we sent you the right one. Also make sure there aren't any clearance issues that will affect the positioning of the pod or any other function of your vehicle before you do the installation, because once you start, you're not going back. Alright, once all that's done, first step is to make it easier to work on. Spin it around. Alright, after we get the door situated in our work area, first thing we're going to do is place the pod. Make sure you know where the pod sits, how it fits, and where it is going to end up. Then, once you do that, we will begin the process. So using a 3/16" drill bit, carefully drill through the door panel, through the pod. Once you do that, using the supplied bag of nuts, take one of the screws, place it in the hole to hold the location, and then continue on with the rest of the holes. Once you got that, then just attach the nuts. Snug everything up. Snug everything up. Do not over tighten. These older door panels are made of basically cardboard, and if you over tighten it, you run the risk of breaking the door panel. So just snug it up. And there you have it. Now you're ready to install tweeters on a door that did not have any speakers before. So with the combination of dual 6, dual tweeter, you can install 2 sets of components in your doors and get jamming. Easy. Easy. No fiberglass, no bondo. Custom speaker pods, bring your sound out. Peace.